Hello, Mac people. How are you guys? So, today I wanted to quickly talk about a migration case that we are handling for a customer. So, we are moving from Jamf to Intune for this client. So, let's quickly talk about dashboard. And you know what? It doesn't matter how many times you make fun of your Windows colleague and the Windows as operating system, how slow and boring it is. But at some point in life, you have to come to Windows to do some of your stuffs. Like in this case, I couldn't use Power BI on Mac in any other way, so I had to install Windows in my parallels to do this job. Um, but I'll quickly talk about the dashboard, and we would make the dashboard available somewhere. It's too bright, so we'll try to make it a subtle color so that everyone else could use. And yeah, let's quickly have a look at the dashboard and let us know if you need any change or need any help about Power BI report or anything else related to Mac side of the world. So this data is coming from has is being exported from Jamf and Intune at the same time, and then getting written to an Excel sheet, and Power BI is reading from that Excel sheet, which is saved on the SharePoint. So it doesn't matter what tool are you using, and it's not just about migration. You could show more data, like the important things. Uh, I think I can show you a live dashboard that I use for one of the client. They're using FileWave. But you could use the dashboard to show the data to client about failures, FileWave not enabled, or MDM recovery key not available, and all those kind of problems in the environment if you want to keep an eye on or to make it available for your client. Okay, let's get back to the point. So this is the dashboard. If you see here, it says the migration dashboard. And then here, if you click on this, it takes you to the country view where you could see all the countries and the status of migration. In device, you could go and search the device with the device name or the serial number, and it shows all the information about it. And all this is coming from the tool that we have, which is Jamf in this case. And then we have some other links. You could put whatever you want. So we have got 3000, like this client has got 3000 max, um, out of which 386 have been migrated. And then here there are top countries on which client want to keep an eye. US, Germany, France, Denmark, Spain, Austria, and all those. So we have kept it on the top, and it has, if you look at US, it has 842 machines on the previous MDM tool, which is Jamf, and 38 have been migrated. So this is what we are showing, but it's not written because it's too obvious. I've already explained the dashboard, so we don't really need to write and make it dirty. But this nice, inspiring dashboard that you could make use of. All Mac models, this is only showing the migrated machines. So here it shows MacBook Pro count, MacBook Air, iMac, and all. And here it says, because for this client, media is an important thing. Media department and design departments is important. So they want to know how many devices have been migrated for those people, which is 16 Studio Macs, the Studio desktops, and then the iMacs. And here it shows on how many machines the migration has failed and the ServiceNow tickets for those. And then low disk space. So any machine which has less than 10 GB and hasn't yet been migrated to the new system shows up here. And then we have also gathered some customer feedback, how they feel about the migration. It's very important to track, right? Especially when you are providing a service to a client. So this is how it is. 69% of the people are really happy, 20% of them are not happy, and 11% don't care to reply. And then right side, you see the weekly migration trend. So it shows how many machines have been migrated every week. So we actually stepped up here. Before that, it was just testing phase and all. So from here, we have started. And this is how it's going. But I think this is what our client wanted to see. And I wanted to talk to you guys just to show and make it available. The only purpose was to make it available, but I thought to talk for 2 minutes about it so that people know what it is and then where it is. So yeah, that's it for today, guys.